I'm Sachi and welcome back to the second part of our Weird Beauty Hack series, where we'll be testing out some of the most bizarre beauty products available in the market today. This time, we at Glamorous decided to decode some unique makeup products to tell you which ones are absolute treasures and which ones can be tossed. So let's begin. Want an instant and easy cut crease eyeshadow look? This handy device will give you just that in a matter of minutes and no fuss at all. Prep your eyelids like you normally would with your concealer as a base. Pick two complementary eyeshadows and using your finger or a flat brush, pack them onto the back of the stamp in the same order you would on your lid. Align the stamp with your eyelid, gently but firmly press it down for a few seconds and lift it right off. Use a fluffy brush to blend out the edges and go in with a heavy coat of mascara to finish off the look. At first I thought this eyeshadow stamp was definitely a gimmick, but I think it's a great tool for beginners to get that defined eye look. You do need to remember to go in a couple of times to build up the pigment and always blend well. So I think this one's definitely a treasure. These disposable shimmering sheets are said to be the answer to your blush and highlight touch-ups on the go. Made for both your body and face, they give a radiant glow without the use of a brush or sponge. Pull a single sheet of paper out from the book, fold the sheet backwards into half and wrap it firmly around the two fingers that will be used for application. With gentle tapping or swiping motions, deposit the product onto your cheeks, bridge of the nose, chin or any other part of your body. Even though these highlighter and blush papers are great for a girl on the go, I still did not enjoy them at all. The blush is too shimmery for daily use and the highlighter is more like a bronzer and extremely patchy. So these are definitely a toss. The bright green color of this lipstick and its packaging makes it look like it's come straight out of a children's makeup kit. But it actually has the consistency of a sheer lip balm that changes color according to your body temperature. Clean any leftover lipstick from your lips to prep them for this makeup product. Watch the magic unfold as the lipstick comes out as a creamy pink shade and hydrates your lips. This color-changing lipstick immediately hydrated my lips while leaving it with a natural glossy tint. Plus it smells great, so this is definitely a treasure. Why pick between two of your favorite nail polishes when you can sport both at any given time? Apply it on clean filed nails like you would a regular nail polish. Put on two coats to achieve maximum opacity and wait for it to dry. Now is where the magic begins. Put your hand into a bowl of cold water and watch the polish transform into another color. When dipped into another bowl of hot water, your nails will go back to the original color as well. To start off, this color-changing nail polish was difficult to apply and thickened as soon as the bottle was opened. Even though the color changed, random purple patches began appearing immediately after, so this one's definitely a toss. Probably the most hyped product of this year is this floral jelly lipstick. It's said to be the world's first lipstick made with gold flakes and real flowers inside it. Start off with clean and exfoliated lips so the color of the lipstick can truly show. Swipe on the lipstick and it'll leave your lips with a natural blush pink tint. This floral jelly lipstick immediately hydrated my lips but also left me with this sheer pink tint which I don't think goes too well with my skin tone. It also comes at a very hefty price and leaves a bad taste in my mouth, so I think this one might be a toss. I can think of only one reason why you'd want to keep it around is because of how beautiful it is and it'll definitely make for a great showpiece at your dresser. Now that you know which ones are treasures and which ones can be given the toss, it's time to start investing in these incredibly weird makeup products. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.